Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Gmail problem where your account keeps signing out automatically in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then open Third-Party Cookies. Here, make sure Do Not Block Third-Party Cookies is selected. Blocking third-party cookies can sometimes break Gmail login sessions, especially if extensions or Google services rely on them. After that, scroll down on the same page. Look for a section called Sites Allowed to Use Third-Party Cookies or Always Allow. If you see an Add button, click it and add these sites one by one. Accounts.google.com, mail.google.com, google.com. This ensures that Gmail and Google accounts can store login cookies properly. Next, go back and click Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so everything is fully cleared. Make sure cookies and other site data are checked. Also, check the cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. When this is done, close Chrome completely and open it again. Now let us check extensions. Some Chrome extensions can interfere with Gmail and force it to log out. Go to the three dots and open Extensions. Turn off all extensions temporarily. After disabling them, open Gmail and sign in. If Gmail now stays logged in, one of the extensions is causing the issue. You can turn extensions back on one by one to find the exact extension that is causing the problem. Another important step is to make sure Chrome is up to date. Old versions of Chrome can have bugs that affect Gmail login sessions. Open Chrome settings and scroll down to About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, allow it to install. After the update, restart Chrome. Once all these steps are completed, open Gmail again and sign in. In most cases, these steps fully fix the automatic sign-out problem. Thanks for watching.